Hello. Okay, so we're at the studio JR1. This is the studio at the beautiful Parkside Residences. We're going to walk in and see it. I can't wait for you to see it. It looks cute already. This is the hallways, just so you can see what it looks like. It's very quiet. It feels very good in here, by the way. So let's walk in to the JR1 1511. So we're walking in. Oh, it's already super cute. My goodness. Okay, so here is your bedroom. I'm sorry, the bathroom that's over here. So your bathroom is gorgeous. It's well lighted. It's beautiful. It's got the lights all around the mirror. Isn't that delightful? It does have beautiful European style drawers that close. They're auto close. Oh, I just love this. The quartz countertops. This is just delightful. And then the beautiful shower area, tub shower area. It's got a tile here, and then it's got like ribs here. Oh, this is just delightful. I also like it that on this bottom, it's not just the white tub kind of material, but it's more of the backsplash. So that's a super nice feature. I really love that. Your closet, it looks like, is actually here. So the closet would be here. And that's what that looks like. Let's go into, you're gonna walk through, now remember this is a studio, so you're gonna walk through here. For a studio, this has a lot of space in your kitchen. I'm really impressed, and it's got all the appliances that are in the larger units. It's gonna have a beautiful Bosch fridge, double doors. It's beautiful. The Bosch gas stove is very nice. I love that. I love the cabinets and the colors, and it's gonna have that Bosch dishwasher too. It's got everything you need in here. It's got a huge sink, so this is very delightful. Hey, and then it says studio, but it's got pretty much an enclosed one bedroom here for you. So this closes off. It gives you a very nice separation. And the separation is here, so very nice. If it were me, I would like that a lot, but then I would add some portable dividers to just kind of divide that off. But this kind of option is great because it gives you the ability to live in an exclusive high-rise like the Parkside, but then at a just a little bit easier price. If you just want to really be in a studio. So very nice feature. I love it. But we're not done. Now we've got the living room area. The living room area is very generous. There's a lot of space in here, so you could easily put a couch in here. Maybe the couch would go like there, and then you could have a big screen kind of right there. That's one option. That way the light wouldn't go on the big screen. So very nice. And hey, you got floor-to-ceiling windows. Very nice. And you do have a balcony too. Look at this. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. So you can walk out, see your Houston life, and man, you're set in an exclusive high-rise, but at a studio kind of price. So very nice. Wow, I really love this. Hey, I want you to reach out to me. There's a number below. I've got a free service that's gonna help you find your perfect residence. So reach out to me at that number, and we'll start a conversation. We'll help figure out what the perfect place is for you. It might be here at the Parkside. So reach out, and then instead of your search taking weeks, sometimes months, sometimes it takes that long for our clients. They've tried to do this on their own and go through hundreds and thousands of apartments. It's just too much information to go through. Why not just use my service where you can find your perfect place? And you've got kind of a coach, if you would, that's an expert that's gonna help you find your perfect place, and it's 100% free. So reach out to me at the number below. Send me a text. You can also reach out to me on uptown101.com and fill out a search request. uptown101.com/search. Talk to you soon.